If you do discover a fire, make sure that you yell fire. You will need to let others in and around the buildings know that there is a fire, and this is done by activating one of the many fire alarms. Just break the glass and flick the switch. Notify emergency services by calling 111. Remember, stay calm and be very specific with the information you give to the call centre. Only attempt to extinguish the fire if it's safe to do so. Never place yourself in a position where you have no clear exit, and never ever enter smoke, as it may contain poisonous gases or be very disorientating and dangerous. If you do attempt to extinguish the fire, then you'll need to find one of our fire extinguishers. There are many fire extinguishers located around our buildings, often near exits. The most common type of extinguisher found at our facilities is dry powder extinguishers. Now, these can be used for any fire. It is important to make sure that the extinguisher is matched to the fire, and some are more suited than others. This is covered in specific training should it be required. All extinguishers are operated using the pass method. P. Pull the pin and test fire. A. Aim the nozzle at the base of the fire. S. Squeeze the lever. S. Sweep from side to side. At Port Otago, we are very proactive in fire prevention. All Port Otago sites are smoke-free. Now, this includes all e-cigarettes and vaping devices. But fire prevention is much more than that. Here's some very simple fire prevention ideas. Always complete a hot work permit where activities that generate heat or sparks is undertaken outside of approved areas. Don't accumulate rubbish. Dispose of any flammable rags or absorbent material in the appropriate containers. Take extreme care when handling or storing flammable liquids, and store all flammable liquids and gases correctly. Clean up any spills immediately. Always check and recheck all electrical cords and make sure electrical equipment has been tested and tagged. Check that areas around welding and gas cutting are free of anything combustible. If you work where ignition sources are likely, always keep a fire extinguisher within easy reach. Clear the work area of accumulated combustible material. And one more very important thing. Keep a clear pathway to fire extinguishers.